Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up the partner portal. First, click on the partner portal button. You'll need to read and accept the agreement. Once you've accepted it, you can begin setting up your white label settings. After providing all the required information, click on Save. Now, you'll see options like Dashboard. Under Clients, you can view all your existing clients and also add new ones from here. You can create packages and connect them directly with Stripe to manage your client's billing. You'll also have access to additional options such as white label settings, update your branding and platform details. OpenAI, add your OpenAI API keys to get unlimited access to the platform. Email, set up your SMTP details so your clients receive emails from your business name. Facebook, enable Facebook login for your customers. Custom email, create and manage your own email templates. Resources, download resources, rebrand them, and use them to pitch investors under your own name. That's it. Thanks for watching.